Hello, welcome to another dynamic do-it-yourself video. And today we are going to add one more thing you would want to have in your pantry. The pantry essential for today for the do-it-yourselfer is Epsom salt. If you're not familiar with Epsom salt, let me clue you in on the wonders of this pantry essential. Epsom salts are very useful if you are making your own bath scrubs, your body scrubs, your own bath salts. And the purpose of Epsom salt, it soothes minor pain and injuries, okay? It helps soothe your muscles if you have a muscle strain, if your back is hurting. Also, it's very, you can ingest this and use it for laxative. If you are constipated and you need a gentle laxative, instead of running to the store and buying whatever's out there on the market, you can make a simple solution using this and you can help yourself out there. You can also use Epsom salt if you are having a garden and you want to give your garden a little extra help as far as food, because Epsom salt is magnesium. It's a magnesium sulfate. And if you recall anything from your high school class and chemistry, and you get an idea of what this does. Okay, so it has many very good benefits. You can get this. This is 4 pounds worth. It costs anywhere from $3 or $4, depending on where you're going to purchase it. But it will last you a good long time. 4 pounds can last you a long time. And once again, if you are a do-it-yourselfer and you want to stock up that pantry to have something on hand that you can use for multiple uses, this is one that you want to have. So I hope this was helpful. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. If you want more videos like this, just hit that subscribe button and you will see more videos on pantry essentials and things that you can do with these essentials. Leave a comment down below and I will give a partial list of things that you can do with this in the description. I hope this was helpful. Until next time.